Welcome. In today's guide, we'll show you how to prevent Facebook notifications on your PC with the latest update. If you're tired of constant interruptions, follow these simple steps to block notifications and regain control of your browsing experience. First, open your web browser and navigate to Facebook by typing facebook.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, log into your account using your email and password if you're not already signed in. Next, look at the top of your browser. Near the web address bar, you'll see a small icon that represents the site's information. Click on this icon. It's usually shaped like a padlock or a circle with an I inside. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Site Settings. This will open a new tab or window displaying all the permissions and settings associated with Facebook. Now, locate the section labeled Notifications. Next to it, you'll see an option to adjust the permission. Click on this option and select Block from the drop-down menu. This action will stop Facebook from sending notifications through your browser. Finally, close the Settings tab and return to Facebook. The changes will take effect immediately, ensuring that you no longer receive unwanted notifications while browsing. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully blocked Facebook notifications on your PC. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in reducing distractions and improving your online experience. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Stay focused and enjoy a quieter browsing experience.